In this video, we unravel the secrets to creating a space that reflects your impeccable taste and desire for sophistication. Whether you're the type who craves the opulence or finds comfort in the understated elegance of muted tones and sleek lines, this guide is crafted for you. So, let's dive in. Imagine yourself in a room that mirrors your vibrant soul, where every corner speaks to your adventurous spirit and creative heart. Picture bright, invigorating colors adorning your living space, each hue reflecting your optimism and zest for life. These bold choices aren't just about aesthetics. They're an extension of who you are, a lively, energetic individual unafraid to make daring design choices. Your home should be a canvas that celebrates your dynamism and brings joy to every moment spent within its walls. Now, picture vibrant throw pillows scattered artfully across your plush sofa, bursts of color like jewels glinting in the sunlight. This blend of calm and vibrancy creates a space that exudes luxury, class, and timeless elegance. It's a haven for the discerning soul who craves both peace and a touch of exuberance, someone who finds joy in the subtle interplay between quiet sophistication and bold expression. This room, much like you, speaks of a life well lived and beautifully balanced. So, in this radiant setting, let a statement chair become the crown jewel of your decor. This isn't just any chair, it's a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, a piece that commands attention and admiration. Its distinct style and luxurious materials instantly elevate the room, creating an aura of sophistication and class. As a focal point, the statement chair draws the eye, anchoring the space with its elegance and unique charm. It ties together the bright, joyful elements of your room, weaving them into a cohesive and harmonious tapestry that feels both curated and spontaneous. This chair, with its blend of modern and classic influences, offers a versatile elegance that adapts to your evolving tastes. It's more than furniture. It's a symbol of your exquisite taste and the luxurious life you aspire to. The rich textures and impeccable design speak to your appreciation for the finer things, making your living room not just a place to sit, but a sanctuary of style and comfort. So, embrace the bold colors and the statement pieces. Let your living room be a reflection of your inner vibrancy, a luxurious haven that's as classy and elegant as you are. This is your space, a testament to your creativity and refined taste, a place where every detail resonates with your unique personality and love for life's beauty. Now imagine, if you will, the transformative power of a statement, bright carpet, unfurling across your living room floor. This vibrant piece is not just a mere accessory. It is a bold declaration of your unique taste and adventurous spirit. Picture the lively hues dancing beneath your feet, breathing life into every corner of the room and evoking a sense of joy and creativity. By embracing bright colors, you invite an air of luxury and sophistication into your home. Each vivid shade whispers elegance, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary experiences. The bright carpet, with its rich textures and dynamic patterns, becomes the heart of the room, grounding the space while simultaneously lifting its spirit. Before I give you the next kitchen design trend, I would like to take this opportunity to remind you that by subscribing to my channel, you're not just choosing videos, you're choosing a journey. A journey into the heart of timeless beauty and refined living. Let me guide you through the art of creating spaces that breathe class and charm. Together, we'll craft interiors that don't just look stunning, but feel like a true reflection of your exquisite taste. So, join me, and let's make your home a masterpiece of elegance by taking a moment to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Imagine walking into your living room, a sanctuary of tranquility bathed in the soft hues of neutral tones. The walls, adorned in shades of white, beige, and light gray, whisper a serene elegance, creating a canvas that exudes luxury without demanding attention. The plush sofa, a gentle shade of ivory, beckons you to sink into its embrace, offering both comfort and sophistication. These neutral tones, my friend, are not mere colors. They are a symphony of subtlety and grace. They speak of a refined taste, an appreciation for the understated beauty that only a discerning eye can truly cherish. The metallic accents, gold, silver, or brass, gleam like hidden treasures, adding a touch of opulence that dances in the light, yet never overwhelms. They are the jewelry of your room, each piece carefully chosen to elevate the aesthetic without stealing the spotlight. In this sanctuary, you find peace. The neutral tones create a backdrop for your life, a versatile stage that adapts and evolves with you. It is for the person who values serenity, who finds beauty in simplicity and elegance in the understated. This room, with its luxurious and classy ambiance, is a reflection of your inner calm and refined taste. So, as you sit in your living room, surrounded by the gentle embrace of neutral tones, know that you have created a space that is not just beautiful, but a true extension of who you are. Now, for the person who values simplicity without sacrificing sophistication, monochrome offers a canvas of tranquility and clarity. It's for those who find beauty in minimalism, where every piece of furniture and every texture plays a role in a carefully orchestrated symphony of design. But what is monochrome? Well, monochrome, as it's called, embraces a single color palette throughout the room. Imagine the canvas of your living room, where each stroke of paint and every frame tells a story of luxury, class, and elegance. As you carefully select hues that whisper sophistication and grace onto your walls, and place picture frames that capture cherished moments in gilded elegance, you craft not just a space, but an expression of your refined taste and appreciation for beauty. So, as you gaze upon the newly adorned living room, let it resonate with your spirit. Let it be a sanctuary where elegance meets comfort, where memories find a place to bloom, and where every detail whispers of a life well lived, a life adorned with hues of luxury, framed in timeless elegance. For the person who seeks tranquility amidst the hustle of everyday life, greenery offers a sanctuary of calm and serenity. It whispers of quiet mornings and gentle evenings, where the soft rustle of leaves dances with the breeze, creating a symphony of peace. While greenery is not merely decoration, it is a reflection of a deeper connection with the natural world. It beckons you to pause, to reflect, and to savor the simple joys found in the embrace of nature. It reminds us that luxury is not always in grand gestures, but in the subtle whispers of authenticity and grace.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate.